Hi, I'm Zach Gaspy, and this is the PHS News. Let's start with some announcements. Pink Out shirts are available for purchase for $20 at the next football game, or see Ms. Clanton in room 701. If you're interested in joining the fishing team at Page High, see Coach White in room 703. Paperwork and fees are due by October 1st, and that'll be your last chance until January. The first HOSA meeting is September 24th at 3:10 in room 507. Everyone is welcome. And the National Art Society meets on the first Thursday of every month in room 604. The Art Club meets in the second Thursday of each month in room 605 with Miss LaRocco. Now to Taylor Bittner with Kevin Dockery on how teaching in a classroom is more than I don't know, it's going too fast.
In late June up to about the second week in July, I led a group of about 25 people on a World War II trip through Europe. We visited 5 countries, went to historic sites, went to Normandy, went to museums, went to London, Paris, Berlin, Munich, even visited Dachau concentration camp. And then on the last day, we visited Hitler's Eagle's Nest up in the Austrian Alps, his retreat, summer retreat in the Alps, and spent about 2 weeks visiting 5 different countries. In August, right before school started, I was in Quebec City to receive an award from the National Council for Geographic Education for a Distinguished Teaching Award for Geography. So we spent about 4 or 5 days in Quebec City and attended some of the conference and then the award ceremony. So got to see a lot of Quebec City and had a little bit of an adventure trying to get home because the flight was canceled. So we had to drive to Montreal and catch a flight out of Montreal and practice some of my limited French speaking skills, but we survived.
Hold up. These are all the names. Hold on. Hold up.
Jersey Day on Monday. Be there.
Make sure you bring in toys for the toy drive, because, you know, it helps everyone. That was a great package. Thank you, India. Now to our very own Nathan Leischner with the bowling promo.
Good looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on my mind? So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every guy I see. Hey, big spender. Spend a little time with me.
If you want to know about next week's schedule, check it out right here, or here, or here, wherever Joe decides to put it. I don't have control over that situation. And now, with the best segment on the news, don't forget the lyrics. Hi, I'm Zach Gaspy. And this is Don't Forget the Lyrics. Country roads, take me home. Keep going.
Why do you want me to sing for you?
You just were singing, man. You are my fire.
My one desire.
Believe when I say
I want it that way.
tell me why. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul.
I don't know.
Come on, give me an idea.
I want to get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
No, I know.
Country roads, take me home.
To the place I belong.
West Virginia! Alright, give me the beat, boy, to free my soul.
Wanna hear some rock and roll? Now forgot the words.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul.
I want to get lost in your rock and roll.
And drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul.
I want to get lost in your rock and roll.
And drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul.
I want to get lost in the rock and roll.
And drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul.
I want to get lost in your rock and roll.
And drift away. News.
Oh, can we be on the news?
Sure.
Hannah! What's the question?
Will you go to homecoming with me?
No.
Also, real quick, can you write me a recommendation letter if I get my AP stuff done?
Maybe. I'll consider it. If.
Because I know it sounds bad, and I know the camera can pick me up from here, but I have yet to get a single one of those done. All right, we're gonna do our next announcement right next to her desk. We're doing the rolling news. It's like the Rolling Stones, but just not as creative. Boom, got my joke in. I'm gonna go now. Can I have this Diet Coke? It's empty. Throw away your trash, Miss Sparks. Save the environment. What up? PHS News.
PHS News? What's all that on the wall?
I know one of these people.
You know one of those people?
Yes.
Who are those 9/11 peeps?
Yeah. Don't say peeps. Disrespectful.
How?
You can't just call them peeps.
Why?
It's disrespectful.
The other two. So just go to my AP.
And just enroll in those real quick.
Yep.
And then I can get a recommendation letter?
Maybe.
He said maybe. That's better than a no. Hey. we're good. This summer, one man, one dog, one boat. What will he do next? Hey, we're gonna go down this little ramp right here doing skate tricks, you know? We gotta do an epic cinematic shot of this. Hey. This is slightly terrifying. Believe when I say I want